video lecture, I'm going to show you how to create a scatter plot using Excel. And so right here, you'll see that I have an Excel sheet open, and I have, move this down here, I have two columns here. And this is actually from the problem set itself. This is the scatter plot that I created. And so creating a scatter plot is really easy. So you just take the two data, right? So here's the first variable, and this is what's going to go in your x axis, and this is the y axis. So all you have to do is go like that. And then you want to go to charts and scatter, okay? So this is on a Mac. So scatter, and we don't need a line or anything, so we're just going to get the dots. And this is the mark scatter, the one that doesn't have a line. And look, so here we have this. Now, this is not actually entirely correct what it has here. So I want to get rid of these little labels. Okay, so here we see this. So I remember this was the first one. This is age, okay? And then this is feeling thermometer for the Republican Party. So what we want to do, now that we've just created this first step of creating the scatter plot, is make it a little bit easier to read. And so that means a couple of things. First of all, we're going to want to put axis labels on this, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to chart layout, and then here it says axis titles. So we want the horizontal axis title. And this is the age of the respondent. So we'll just write in here age, okay? So it ranges 0 to 100. I could hypothetically truncate this a little bit, but that's all right. We'll just leave it up there. Okay, so this was the feeling thermometer for the Republican Party. And if you think about what a feeling thermometer is, it's going to only range from 0 to 100. So it goes up here because it's trying to be extra sensitive with the need to put room in here, but that doesn't make sense here, right? It only goes to 100. So we're going to want to just double click on it. That's all you need to do. And then we see the axis scale. So minimum 0 and maximum 120. We don't like that. We want it to be 100, all right? And then look, it just automatically changes the scale so everything is redone. So we still need to have the title for the vertical axis. So let's add that in. And this is the feeling thermometer for Republican Party, all right? And then finally, you usually will put a title on this. So you just add titles. That was up here, chart title, and I did title above the chart. And so it's not letting me do that. So let's just say we're gonna, oh, there we go, okay. So we'll say feeling thermometer for the Republican Party by age, right? And then look, we have a beautiful little scatter. So all we just need to do here is copy it and then place it into whatever document that we are producing, and then we have a nice pretty chart for our